Okay guys, in my previous videos, I've disassembled the front end and repaired damages on the front end body parts. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. In this video, we're gonna paint these parts and put them back on the car, so stick around. Okay guys, so here's the plan. Since I decided to paint my parts off the car, I can't fit them all in here at once. Therefore, I'm gonna have to do two paint jobs. I'm gonna paint my bumper and two fenders at first, and then I'm gonna paint my hood. So my paint job is basically consists out of three steps. First step is prep, second step is application, and third step is actually buffing. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're all done with the prep. Let's get to the next stage, which is painting. Unfortunately, I had an issue with this driver's side fender. I discovered a small dent when I was doing prep, and I decided to do a quick repair, and I've used new spray bottle primer, high build primer from Sam, and for some reason it shrunk or lifted, most likely shrunk, and gave me an issue in this area. And as I was trying to flood it with clear, trying to fix this issue with clear, I actually made a nasty run. I'm not even gonna attempt to repair this run. I'm not even gonna attempt to buff this run out, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut through clear into the paint. And it's easier for me just to respray this fender, especially because I still have to do hood. Alright guys, well done painting. Let's put these parts back on the car. Okay guys, so it's getting pretty late and I actually don't want to make this video too long. So basically this is where I'm at. I'm just roughly installed painted parts on the car, and I still have to install fender liner and fender liners and the tray, the front thing that goes underneath the hood. And I actually realized that I forgot to put bumper reinforcement absorber, like a foam piece that goes underneath the bumper. So I really don't want to assemble car any further than this, because I still have to get inspection done. In North Carolina and in most states you have to get an inspection done. And I still have to make sure that all of my lights on the dash or in that centerpiece computer are going to be off. I want to make sure that everything is in order, and then I'm going to do a final assembly. So right now this is pretty much where I'm at. As you can hopefully see, this is the front end. I roughly assembled it. I have a little issue on the hood. I still have to align the hood a little bit more, but nothing major. So this is where I'm at right now, and I still have to put cameras and stuff like that. So guys, this is it for this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Do it now. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.